Guess what time it is? It's Host Reward Month, and if you invite me over and a couple friends, you will be able to receive this amazing 16-inch window smaller combi at 50% off. All you need to do is invite a couple friends. Minimum order for your demo is $300. This can be yours for 50% off. If you have the window combi already, you will know that this is the same thing. See the handle? The only thing is the size. So this one is 16 centimeters. Sorry, did I say inches? 16 centimeters. This one is 28 centimeters. So if you do not have the window combi, big one, this is a perfect time for you to get this one for half price. When it is not too sunny or too hot, is a perfect time to do your windows. So I'm going to show you what we need. So number one, you need your window combi with the squeegee attached on it. You can also find this very useful to have your pole from your floor system because you're able to clean your windows that are higher up like this. Another thing that is handy when you're cleaning windows would be your multi-tool. So again, same base. See, the base here is the same. The difference is the fiber is a flat fiber, and this tool, which is the plate here that attaches on it, it swivels. So basically, this is the same base as the 16-inch base that I was saying that you could have at half price. So you can pick and choose which of them you want. This multi-tool comes with 6 different fibers on it. What I love about this fiber is it's great for doing the edges of the windows, or the window frame, I should say, so on all sides as well as the top. But because it swivels, you're able to also clean up here. And like I said, there are multiple fibers for this. The outdoor fiber is great, but I really love using the medium fiber on here when I do windows, because any water that spills at the bottom on the ledge, I use this. As you can see, I also have here added the twister. So the twister tool is awesome because it also allows you to be able to move your handle like this on an angle. And I did add an additional handle on the bottom, which is for my flexi, because I'm very short and I need a little bit more height. So I'm also able to use this one for that as well. So I brought that out. Another thing which is beneficial for outdoor is your outdoor glove. Of course, this is the dual glove that has the hard abrasive back. You can use this for all of your furniture, but it's also amazing for the base of your windows as well as your tracks down there, or the outdoor scrubby. So this one, I find that I keep that handy with me. Another thing that is very useful is keep a bucket. This is just a little bowl with water. Because I'm doing all of my windows, I will need to rinse off my fiber. So this fiber here, I will have to rinse it in between before continuing to do multiple windows, because my windows are pretty dirty since I haven't cleaned them since probably the fall. So what you need is your water bottle, of course, only water. You're going to take and as you remember, this water spray bottle has, I'll show you at the bottom, a weight down here. And the reason why that is on there, it is to make it very practical when you're spraying your window. So you can put your your spray bottle on an angle, spray off your window. And I have been timing my window cleaning, and it takes me 32 seconds to do a whole patio door. So I'm going to talk through this one and show you that. I'll move this over here. I sprayed the window, but when I first start, I also spray my fiber. So you're going to spray your fiber with lots of water, and you're going to also keep handy with you your medium all-purpose fiber that you can pick up and absorb a lot of the water. And this is, of course, your enjofil, which is your shine behind. If you use these after you've used your window combi, what you're going to find is this is going to hold a lot of the dirt and get wet, but this one you can save for that shine of any of the spots of water. But typically my window enjofil never gets dirty because I use these two. Okay, so I'm going to keep this handy. I usually tuck it into my pants like that, and then I can begin. So move up and down on your window, and my windows are not that dirty because they are pretty covered back here with the eave straw up there. So basically just go like this, wash off your window, turn it around, use your squeegee that's back here, put it on the top. And I usually stop about here, but I also wipe my blade. I wipe my blade with my medium all-purpose so that I can take away the water here, because I don't want to put the water back on that window where I've already squeegeed. If you hear that sound, it just means that you're on the wrong angle, or there's not enough water, or you're pushing too hard, one of those. So see how I'm going sideways here? I love doing it this way because it makes it so much easier. And because I don't want to take my pole off because I'm doing all my windows, it makes it easier. So I'm going to take my medium enjofil. I typically fold it in half like this because this side I use it, it will get pretty dirty, but I also use the second side after if I know that there's excess water. But like I said, I didn't use a lot of water, so it's all good. So basically I do the edges. Sometimes I do the framework beforehand. So as you can see, I'm gonna open it up and show you. There's not much water, there's not much dirt on there. There's a little bit, as you can see here. So go ahead and do that. And then when you're done that, because again, it's only on the edges here, so I can get a little bit more here. Once you're done that, then grab your enjofil, fold it in half, fold it again, and then fold it again. So you've got your fiber folded in this many sections here. And the good thing for that is it will be able to help you gently, lightly, don't push too hard, take away any of the water. I see that there's a spot up there which I can't reach. So I also put my window enjofil on my combi like this. See how it's on the back side like that? And then I can reach on those sections up at the top that I can't go without a stool. There we go. There we are. So the window is perfect, nice and easy. Here's the window combi, here's the pole. It's as easy as that. Have a great day, everyone, and reach out if you are interested in having a couple friends over. We can come to your backyard. You can come to my backyard. I can show you how to use all the window tools and the outdoor tools. Perfect time of year for that right now. And you will be able to receive the host rewards at 50% off, plus the host dollars. So reach out to me. Can't wait to see you. And I also have a team of cleaning professionals who work together and are able to also make personal private appointments with anyone who's interested in getting their windows done on the outside and inside, and we can come and give you an idea of what the cost would be. And we only use enjo, fibers, and water, so it's environmentally better for us, for you, for the environment, and costs nothing because it's water. Okay, have a great day, everyone.